Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if Samsung Galaxy S23 FE not receiving MMS messages. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on connections. Then open mobile networks. And here click on access point names. Now set access point name to email and then go back to your home screen and open settings again. Now in settings, scroll down and here open apps. And in apps, scroll down and open messages. Now go to the storage of messages and here clear the app data and cache memory of messages. Now click on delete and then go back. Now in settings, click on general management and in general management scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset network settings and then again click on reset settings to confirm.